Hi, Emily. Do you have a quick second? I am so sorry to bother you.
Hello, Mark. Of course I have time. You do not look bothered at all. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine. Thank you for asking. It is just that something has come up unexpectedly. I just got a call from my son's school, and I need to go there for a brief meeting with his teacher.
Oh, I see. A parent-teacher meeting. Those are important.
Exactly. I cannot miss it. The meeting itself is short, but I will have to be away from the office for a little while. This is why I wanted to ask you for a very big favor. I was hoping you might be able to watch my desk for me while I am gone.
Of course, Mark. I would be happy to do that for you. It is no problem at all.
Are you sure? I know you have your own deadlines. I would not want to cause you any trouble.
I am absolutely sure. My main project for today is finished. I am just working on some planning for next week. I can easily keep an eye on your area.
That is such a relief to hear. Thank you so much, Emily. You are a real lifesaver. I was starting to feel a bit stressed about it.
Please do not be stressed. We are colleagues, and we should help each other. How long do you think you will be away? It is helpful for me to have a general idea of the time.
That is a good point. The meeting at the school is only scheduled for 30 minutes, but with the traffic and driving time, I think I will probably be gone for about 90 minutes, so an hour and a half. I will try to be faster if I can.
An hour and a half is perfectly fine. Do not rush on the road. The most important thing is that you get there and back safely. Just focus on your meeting. I will be right here.
Thank you for your kindness. It means a lot. I will feel much more relaxed knowing that you are here watching over my work.
So, before you go, tell me exactly what you need me to do. Are there any urgent tasks that I need to be aware of?
There are just two main things, and I think they are quite simple. First, I am expecting a very important email from a new client. It is quite time sensitive, and I need to make sure we respond to it quickly.
And important email. Okay, I will watch your inbox for that. What is the second thing?
The second thing involves our IT department. My computer has been running very slowly all week, so I created a support ticket yesterday. Someone from IT might stop by to take a look at it this afternoon.
Okay, and an email and a possible visitor from IT. That sounds very straightforward. I can definitely manage that for you.
Thank you. I knew I could count on you. I will give you more details on both things so you feel fully prepared.
Yes, please. Let's start with the email. Who is the email from so I know what to look for? And what is the subject line?
The email will be from a woman named Miss Chen at a company called Global Imports. The subject line will probably be Project Proposal Inquiry or something very similar to that. It should be easy to spot.
Miss Chen from Global Imports. Subject: Project Proposal Inquiry. Got it. When the email arrives, what would you like me to do? Should I read it and try to answer it?
Oh, no, you do not need to do that. All I need you to do is send a very quick reply. The reply should just acknowledge that we have received her email. You can write something like, "Thank you for your email, Miss Chen. Mark has received it and will give you a detailed response as soon as he returns to the office this afternoon."
That sounds simple. Should I write that down?
I will write it down for you right now on a sticky note. You can just copy and paste it into the reply. That way, there is no confusion.
A sticky note is a perfect idea. Thank you. Now, let's talk about the person from the IT department. Do you know who is coming?
Yes, I spoke to them on the phone earlier. His name is Kevin. He is one of the new technicians. He said he would try to come by around 2 o'clock, but it could be earlier.
Okay, so I will look out for Kevin from IT. What does he need to do? Will he need access to your computer?
Yes, he will. He needs to install some updates and run a diagnostic program. This is the tricky part. He will need my password to log into the computer. I know we are not supposed to share passwords.
That is true. It is usually against company policy. How should we handle that?
I have an idea. I will write my temporary password on a piece of paper. I will put the paper inside this small envelope and seal it. You can give this sealed envelope to Kevin when he arrives. Please ask him to destroy the paper after he is finished. I will change my password as soon as I get back.
Okay, giving Kevin a sealed envelope sounds like a secure way to do it. I will make sure he is the only one who gets it, and I will remind him to destroy it. What about phone calls? Should I answer your desk phone if it rings?
I am not really expecting any calls this afternoon. Most of my clients communicate through email. However, if my direct manager, Mrs. Davis, happens to call, it is very important.
Mrs. Davis. Of course. What should I say if your manager calls?
Please be very polite and professional. You can tell her that I was called away for an urgent family matter at my son's school. Please assure her that it is not a serious emergency and that I will be back in the office shortly. Also, please let her know that I will check in with her the moment I return.
I will tell her you had an urgent family matter and that you will report to her as soon as you are back. I will make sure to sound very professional.
Thank you. That is the most important call I could possibly get. For any other calls, you can just take a message.
That all makes perfect sense. I feel ready. Is there anything else I need? Where do you keep your pens and notepads, just in case?
Good question. Everything you need is right here. My pens and highlighters are in this black cup. The sticky notes are in this little dispenser. And here is a fresh notepad for taking any phone messages. I will put it right next to the phone so it is easy to see.
Perfect. Thank you. You are very organized.
I try to be. Here is the sticky note with the email reply I wrote for you. I will place it right on the corner of the monitor. And here is the sealed envelope with the password for Kevin from IT. I will put it under the keyboard so it is safe.
Sticky note on the monitor. Password under the keyboard. I will remember that. You have made this very easy for me, Mark.
I wanted to make it as simple as possible. You are doing me a huge favor, so the least I can do is be prepared.
It is really no trouble. I hope the meeting at your son's school goes well. Is he in elementary school?
Yes, he is. He is in the 3rd grade. He is a good kid,
but he can be a little too chatty in class sometimes. I think the teacher wants to talk about that. Thank you for asking.
I understand completely. Well, I am sure it will be a productive conversation. It is great that you can go and support him.
Family is very important. Thank you again, Emily. I promise I will return the favor for you anytime you need it. Just say the word.
I might take you up on that offer next month. I have to attend an all-day training workshop on the 15th, so I might need someone to check my emails for anything urgent.
Consider it done. Put it in your calendar. I will be here to help you out on the 15th. All right, I have checked my watch, and I really have to run now if I want to get there on time. Let me just make sure you have everything. You have the email template?
Yes, the yellow sticky note is right here on the monitor. I see it clearly.
And you know where the sealed envelope for Kevin is?
Yes, it is safely tucked under the keyboard. I will only give it to him when he arrives and confirms his name.
Perfect. And you know what to do if our boss, Mrs. Davis, calls my phone?
Absolutely. I will explain the situation professionally and let her know you will contact her immediately upon your return. I have the notepad and pen ready for any other messages. You have prepared everything perfectly.
I am so glad. I cannot thank you enough, Emily. I really owe you one. This is a huge help. Okay, I am heading out now. I have my keys and my wallet. I will see you in about an hour and a half. Maybe sooner if the traffic is light. Thank you one last time.
You are most welcome, Mark. Drive carefully and do not worry about a thing here. I have got it all covered. Good luck with the teachers' meeting.
Thanks, Emily. See you soon.
Bye, Mark. Take care. Okay, he is gone. Let me just review his notes one more time. The email from Ms. Chen is the first priority. I will keep his email program open so I can see it when it arrives. The note for the reply is right here, and the envelope for Kevin from IT is safe under the keyboard. This is all very clear. It is nice to be able to help a colleague, especially when it involves their family. I hope his son is not in too much trouble. It is good that he is a caring father. Now I will just do my own work quietly and keep an eye on things.